The Minisis Trusted Digital Repository is designed to provide an easy step-by-step approach to digital preservation. This process can be as simple as dragging and dropping a file into the TDR for fully automated processing, or it can be a planned archiving project where file relationships are taken into consideration, your digital assets are described, and links are made to other systems. Let's start from the beginning and look at the steps involved in a planned archiving project. When you are taking a more managed approach, the first step is to prepare for the ingestion process. During this stage, it is important to understand the relationship between the asset you wish to preserve and a minimum set of data required for describing the asset, which is referred to as metadata. This metadata will travel with the asset as it is stored and upgraded in the system, so now is the best time to ensure that it contains the information needed for the long term. At this time, you can also set policies for handling duplicates, set permissions for protected assets, and create public versus private restrictions for allowing web access. The next step is to ingest the assets. In this step, you will use the TDR's loading dock to queue files for processing. The TDR will run checks on your file to confirm its type and extract a variety of technical and descriptive metadata that is available. The TDR then creates several new formats for your digital asset, the most important being the preservation version for long-term management. Other formats can include those which operate more easily over the web or are made available for download. Additional metadata may be added at this stage as well. The asset and its data are now stored as an Archive Information Package, or AIP for short. This package contains the original asset and its derived versions for preservation and dissemination, as well as metadata describing the asset and chronicling the preservation activities. The system will continue to store and preserve your digital assets and provide you with reports and notifications for any obsolescence or integrity issues that arise. The Minisis Tdr makes it easy to manage and keep track of your assets through its main dashboard. Depending on their permissions, users will be able to log into the TDR online and update metadata, manage storage space, and schedule asset monitoring. In the final step, your stored assets will be made accessible in a variety of formats through the web-based search interface of the TDR or through integration with other Minisis tools. Integration with outside systems is also possible with commonly used web interfaces. Individual media formats or an entire standalone preservation package can be made available for download for both internal and external users.